Before watching this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button below and clicking the bell icon to be notified when published new video. Maps may seem obsolete in today's world with smartphones and GPS devices, but centuries ago, they were the only tool travelers had to navigate the world. A man in Aberdeen, Scotland, was working on some home renovations when he discovered something unusual stuffed in the chimney. At first glance, the mysterious bundle appeared to be a series of rags used to stop draughts, but upon further examination, the man discovered it was something much more valuable. These rags were actually a map dating back to the 17th century. Realizing he had something significant on his hands, he set out to give the tattered remains to the National Library. Curators at the National Library had never seen something in such a sad condition, but that didn't stop them from trying to restore it. Along the way, they discovered that the map was created by renowned engraver Gerard Valk. There are only 2 known copies of this map in existence, making this discovery even more exciting. Keep watching to see how the curators and staff at the National Library worked around the clock to help restore a piece of history that had long been forgotten. This just goes to show that you never know what kinds of hidden treasures could be taking up space in your home. Thankfully, this man's discovery made its way to the National Library rather than the local dump.